got a skin that goes over and covers all that.
Very nice. Yep. Looks good. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. I know it's hot. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Down bar, we got 4 L15s.
Okay. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Nice. You almost got it sealed off all the way around. It looks good.
It was up there with the B pillar. I just laid it back.
You did? Okay. And it's a 4th order?
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice.
2 Skar 2500 strapped together.
Okay. No? Yes, sir. Can I see the amps?
I got a skin that goes over and covers all that.
Very nice. Yep. Looks good. Okay, so yeah, I'm trying to figure out how you built it. Did you build it in there, or did it slide in?
Let's take the top off to get it in there.
Okay, there you go. Got it. Awesome. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around we got of his system. He was showcasing at the annual summer showcase of Jacksonville, Florida area in 2021. Be sure to give him a like. I like the layout of the box to make an efficient amount of space with a bandpass 4th order enclosure fitting 4 15-inch subs inside of here. He did say he had a beauty panel that he actually has removed, so sorry about all of the mess he was saying. This is a 4th order enclosure. I didn't really get a close-up inside of the box, but it looked like all the subs were inverted, and then the port there is where all the pressure's coming out, and there's a sealed section on the left and right side. And then, of course, you can see the staging, mid-range tweeters and speakers for hearing all of the music. You can really hear the music during the demo as well. Actually, a little bit too loud. It was hurting my ears on those tweeters. The way he has his amplifier rack set up, so everything is staged in a way so he can easily tune it, tweak it, and have good airflow without overheating. And, of course, he didn't have the beauty panel, as I mentioned, but I did see he had a 45 amp hour lithium there. He didn't mention during the info walk-around. I didn't find out the specs of the box, so sorry about that. But we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and enjoy. All right.
back there because it was up here on the B pillar. I thought it would be better up here, but
No? Thank you very much. Thank you for the demo. Nice to meet you again.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.